So children, let's continue with the back exercise. Mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. So let's continue with this back exercise of chapter number 16. So kindly raise hand those who know the answer. The fresh water stored in the groundwater is much more than that present in the rivers, lakes of the world. Yes, Bhumi Chaudhary, is it true or false?
Ma'am, true.
Lavish, is it true?
Yes, ma'am, true.
Fresh water stored in ground is much more than the present in the rivers, lake. Groundwater is more. Fresh water. Anybody else? Anybody else want to give the answer? Is it true or false? Kindly tell me whether it is true or false. Yes, Lavish, tell again.
Ma'am, true.
Okay, it is true. Number B. Water shortage is a problem faced only by the people living in the rural areas. Is it
Ma'am,
true?
false.
Kindly raise hand, children,
Ma'am,
before
false.
speaking. Okay, it is false. Water from rivers is the only source for irrigation in the fields.
False.
Is it true? Yes, children, be attentive, everyone.
False.
So it is false. Okay. Next is rain is the ultimate source of water.
False.
True or false?
True. True.
Kindly raise hand.
Ma'am, true.
Yes, it is true because rain is the ultimate source of water. Okay. Next is explain how groundwater is recharged. Now raise hand. How the groundwater is recharged? Yes, Lavish, will you give the answer?
Yes, ma'am. The groundwater gets discharged through the process of infiltration. Infiltration means seeping of water from rivers and lakes into the empty spaces and cracks deep below the ground.
So the main source of groundwater to recharge the groundwater is the rain. Rain is a source for recharging the groundwater. Okay. Anybody else want to give the answer? Yes, Anya Jain.
Okay, ma'am. The rainwater and water from other sources such as rivers and ponds, etc., seep through the soil and fill the empty spaces. This process of sleeping of water into the ground is called infiltration.
Infiltration. So children, you may add the definition of infiltration in this question. Switch on your cameras, Divyanshu. Divyanshu, switch on your camera. Now you want to give the answer of this question only second? Divyanshu. Yes, tell Divyanshu, you want to give the answer of this question or number third you want to speak?
Ma'am, number first. Ma'am, number second.
Okay, tell. Rest of the children can switch on the cameras. Abhigyan, Divyanshi. Yes, speak. Divyanshu Pratap Singh. Unmute yourself, beta. Unmute Divyanshu.
When it rains, the rainwater seeps into the ground and the groundwater is recharged. Or we also can say it is refilled, and this process is called infiltration.
Okay. So infiltration by the process of rainwater, and by the process of infiltration, the groundwater is recharged. Question number 3. There are 10 tube wells in a lane of 50 houses. What could be the long-term impact on the water table? So just read the question again. There are 10 tube wells in a lane of 50 houses. Total 50 houses are there and 10 tube wells are there. So what will be the effect on the water table? Will it be lower down or it will be raised up? Water level will increase or will it be lower? What will happen? Yes, Nishchay Jain.
Ma'am, it will be lowered down.
Answer is right, but I need the reason also. Why it will be lower down? Water table is
Ma'am,
going
may I
to.
tell this answer?
Yes, Nishchay will tell beta. First of all, Nishchay tell why the water table will be lower
Yes,
down.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Because there are 10 tube wells in a lane of 50 houses. That means that they are using a lot of water, and in that area, the water table will be lowered down.
Okay. So much of the water is used by the tube wells. That's why, and they are consuming, 50 houses are consuming much of the water. That's why the water table is going to be lower down. Next, number 4. You have been asked to maintain a garden. How will you minimize the use of water? This is quite interesting question. Others children can also give the answer. Why only 2 or 3 always? Yes, Fiona, Kavya, Mahi, Tanvi, Vedika. Switch on your cameras and give the answer. Give quickly.
Ma'am, can I answer the question?
Yes, Divyanshu. Others can also give the answer, beta.
Ma'am, if we have to maintain a garden, so
Hmm.
ma'am, we have also to consume a water. So
Hmm.
ma'am, we have to use a drip irrigation process because we have to maintain a garden. So we have to watering the plants and consuming water. So we use narrow tubeless to watering the plants and not no waste the water.
Very
So
good.
we
So
can
first
maintain a
way,
garden also, and we consume water.
very good, very good. So these children, you can think of the different ways. Okay, one way he has given. Okay, Bhumi Chaudhary, and after that Anya will speak. Bhumi and Anya. Anya, okay, tell.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we can reduce the usage of water for gardening by adopting this drip irrigation method.
Okay,
Ma'am, in this method, the water will reach the roots of the plants drop by drop, that which will reduce the wastage of water.
okay, fine, good. Yes, Anya.
Ma'am, question 5.
4 we are talking about.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, one method is protecting the boundaries of the field from breakage.
Okay,
And the second is preventing the leakage in the drains in the delivery pipes.
okay, fine. So children, these are the different ways, and you can write, give your own ways to minimize the use of water. Okay, after that, number 5, explain the factors responsible for depletion of water table. So this resembles with question number 3. Why the water table is going to be depletion, means it is decreasing day by day. So children, you have to see if this question comes in 3 marks. So less explanation is required. And if you are, this question will be in 5 marks, then much more explanation is required. Okay. So give me the points only, and after that explanation, you can do your own. Yes, Nishchay. Abhigyan, you won't be giving any answer? Vedika, don't know the reasons?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, tell.
The first point is increased population. Demand of water has been increased by the increased population. As the number of humans increase, the
Give me the
consumption of
points
water.
only. Give me the points only. Number 1 is increasing population. Number 2 is?
Increasing industries.
Okay. Number 3?
Agricultural activity.
Number 4?
Then is lack of water
Rainfall.
conservation.
Scanty rainfall. Number 5 is deforestation. So these are the 5 points which are
Ma'am,
responsible
इसमें
for the depletion of water.
industrialization.
Yes, industrialization already done. Okay, next comes after question number 6. Filling the blanks with appropriate answers. People obtain groundwater through?
Ma'am, hand power and
Wells
tube well.
and wells.
Okay, they obtain groundwater through wells or tube wells. Come through this wells and tube wells. Kindly write down side by side. After that, 3 forms of water are
Solid, liquid,
Solid,
and
liquid,
gas.
and
Solid,
already
liquid,
we
and
know
gas.
solid, liquid, and gas. Children, you need to raise hand. Water being layer of the earth is. Water bearing layer of earth is. Lavish.
Aquifer.
Aquifer. Okay. Next, the process of water seepage into ground is called
infiltration.
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 Already, yes, already we have done infiltration. Which one of the following is not responsible for water shortage? So again, we have to mark the answer.
Heavy rain.
Heavy rainfall.
Heavy
Heavy
rainfall.
rainfall. Okay, fine, good. Heavy rainfall is not suitable. Choose the correct options. The total water
Of the world remains constant.
of the world remain the constant because it keeps on moving from air to the atmosphere, and from atmosphere to the earth it again comes back, means by the process of water cycle. Number 9, make a sketch showing the groundwater and water table. So this is already you have done. So children, you have to draw these two diagrams. One is of question number 9, another already I had told you that you have to make water cycle. And whenever you are drawing the diagram should be labeled. Kindly draw the labeled diagram of.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.